Hello, my name is Kyle West and I'm going to show you how to make an origami flapping bird with A4 paper. Just make a nice crease down there like that, so it should look a little like that. Now you fold it backwards, so it's like, oh crap, so it's like that. And then when you've got that, you want to lift along this edge. So it's like that, and then fold it over the other side and then turn it around and then do it that side. And once you've done that, just and it should be like that. Now you unfold it and then take this corner here and fold it up to here. It won't be accurate, it will be a bit off, but that don't matter. And then make a good crease along there. And then you should have something that looks a little like this. Now you want to fold it that way, so it'll be like that. Then crease it along that line. Then unfold it again, and then you fold it on this fold what we already have here, and then you want to push this corner right into this corner, so it should turn up, and then press that bit down, so you should have something that looks like that. Then do the same on the other side. So you should have something that's like that. Now you need to pull on this bit. It might not want to go there, so just press it in the middle. This bit is hard. And then you just do something so it's like that. It won't be dead accurate, but oh well. And then you do the same on this side. Once you've done that, you should have it so it looks like that. Now you want to turn it over and do the same on this side. So just tug on that a little, and then crease there. Do the same on this side. My one isn't very neat, but you can do yours neater. So you should have something that looks like that. Now what you want to do is turn it onto its side and open up this bit. And now you flatten it, so you should flatten it and then fold this bit up as far as it can go. And then fold that bit in. So it should be like that. And do the same for this. Now is what you want to do, you should have something that looks like that. Now you want to pull out them so it's about that far. And then squash it at the bottom. Do the same with this side. Now you want to fold these wings so it points towards the head, just like that. And flip it over and do the same for the other side. And then with this, whichever side's your head, squash it like that, so it should look like that. Now tug on its tail and you should have a flapping bird, just like that. On one of my tutorials I will show you how to make an origami ninja star known as the paper shaper. Bye for now.